Hello, my name is Craig Williams, and I'm the fire chief in the town of Wasaga Beach. The fire department is responsible for, obviously, fire department response, but we also respond to medical emergencies within our community, along with the County of Simcoe paramedics. And over the last number of years, what we've noticed is that there is a rising number of opioid-related medical emergencies within our community, and we felt that we could play a positive role in assisting individuals who have these types of injuries. So approximately 5 years ago, we began to carry Naloxone kits on our fire trucks that would be used during 911 response. And then more recently, we decided we could play more of a proactive role in helping people in the community. So we reached out to Penny Rush from the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit and asked if there was any possibility that we could become a Naloxone kit distribution partner. So here in Wasaga Beach, we do have approximately 5 pharmacies and a community health center that does currently distribute Naloxone kits to members of the community. However, the access to those kits is generally only during normal business hours. So we felt that the fire department might be able to fill a void in allowing access to the kits outside of normal business hours. So currently, 24 hours a day, a member of the public can come to either of our fire stations and request a kit. Also, we carry the extra kits on our fire trucks, so when our firefighters are out in the community, whether they're conducting a business license inspection or they're responding to emergencies, if they see a need for an naloxone kit, they're able to ask the individuals if they would like one, do a small amount of training with them, and leave them with a naloxone kit for their future use.
I'm Penny Rush with the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit. I'm with the Substance Use and Injury Prevention Team. Craig Williams, the fire chief here at the town of Wasaga Beach, approached me earlier this year to discuss their interest in becoming one of the Ontario Naloxone Program distribution partners for Naloxone kits. We discussed the opportunity. It was a little outside of what the program requirements were, so we did apply for an expanded access, and we were granted a 1-year pilot for this program. So actually Wasaga Beach Fire is the first fire department that has made a request and been granted the right to actually become a distribution partner through the Ontario Naloxone Program. So each kit contains 2 nasal sprays of naloxone. There are injectable kits as well available through the Naloxone program. We don't find they're as popular, but naloxone is an opioid antagonist. So essentially what it does is it works to counteract the effects of opioids on the brain, and opioids actually cause central nervous system depression, which essentially causes people to stop breathing, and that's ultimately how quite often they will go into an emergency situation. So the naloxone is a life-saving device in that it actually reverses that system depression and gets people breathing again.
So the purpose of the naloxone distribution program is to allow individuals who use opioids or their friends and family to receive a kit so that they're prepared in the event that there is an emergency. Within each kit, you'll find a rescue mask, some gloves, and 2 naloxone sprays. Also in the kit is an instruction, and it's very simple to use. So in the event that you identify an individual in need of help, you want to shout and shake and to see if they're unresponsive. If they are unresponsive, immediately call 911. You can give an individual that you believe has been using opioids 1 spray of naloxone into their nostril, and then perform rescue breathing or chest compressions if needed. And then we want to monitor them, bring them into a recovery position, and stay with them until emergency responders arrive.
So the Ontario Naloxone distribution is just a 1 step in certainly an overall strategy of dealing with the toxic drug crisis that we're dealing with, nationwide. And it is here in our community. We certainly are seeing, people are dying every other day. Someone dies in our community a day from the toxic opioid crisis. So we certainly see it's a major issue. there's many strategies that we're using. This is kind of an end game strategy. This is a life-saving device that's given for someone who has actually, gone into crisis because of opioid use. What we are seeing now, though, as well, is the street supply of opioids is heavily contaminated. So individuals are not, the drug supply is not safe. And many individuals are, finding themselves in emergency situations because the drug supply is so contaminated, they're getting a lot of other drugs along that they're maybe not prepared for, and it is toxic and potentially life-threatening.
So this has been an exciting program for the fire department. For about 5 years now, our firefighters have received training on how to give naloxone during an emergency situation. And for us, this program is really just taking that training that we already had and then expanding on it so that we can help deliver this training to our community partners. We want to be able to support our community and help them in any time of their need. And if this is one mechanism that we can use to get life-saving equipment into the hands of our community members, we're certainly going to take advantage of that.
So any individual who uses opioids and their friends or family members, so that could be either through illicit means or through normal prescription, is eligible to receive one of these kits. They can come down here to the fire station or one in Wasaga Beach, or either of the fire stations in Wasaga Beach, and receive a kit, or any of our other Ontario Naloxone distribution partners. They will receive a small amount of training, and then they can get their kits to take home for their own safety or those of their loved ones or family members.
In Wasaga Beach, we've been a Naloxone Kit distribution partner for only about 2 months, and that was done in partnership with the health unit. We've had a number of people come in thus far and request a kit for their personal use. What we're hoping to see into the future is the word get out there that we do have kits available, and see more of our members of the public come on in and get a little bit of training and be able to carry a kit with them.
The Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit is certainly willing to partner with any organizations that would be interested in becoming a distribution partner. We're always looking for new partnerships. This is a life-saving drug, and the more we can get it into the hands of those who need it, that is very important, and we're willing to do that. Certainly, if any individual is interested in receiving a kit, they certainly can attend any of the Naloxone Partnership distribution centers, including all of the offices of the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit. And if you have interest in becoming a distribution partner, then you can give us a call at the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit. Our Health Connection line is 1-877-721-7520.
So we're very thankful for the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit in partnering with us with this program. For many years, we've worked closely with the organization on subjects such as emergency management, local inspections of businesses, infection control in the community. And this is just yet another example where they've stepped up and helped to fill a need within our community. And we're certainly happy to partner along with them. And we hope to see this program grow, not just in our community, but it would be great to see it grow in other communities as well.